Hey guys, for phonics and language today, I want you to start by practicing charts 6 and 7 again. I want to remind you that practicing these phonics charts is really important. It's going to help you with your reading skills as well as doing well on your tests. So if you haven't done that yet, pause this video, go back, practice those 2 charts out loud, and then come back and watch this video. Today I have something a little bit different for you. We've sort of talked about this sort of thing, but now we're going to get into a little bit more about it. Today we're talking about prefixes and root words when you put them together. So a root word we've learned is a word that stands alone. A prefix is a letter or group of letters added to the beginning of a root word. So prefix goes before the root word instead of a suffix that goes at the end of a root word. We're going to add some letters to the beginning, and it actually changes what the word means. So we are going to learn 2 prefixes today. The first one is un, U-N, un. It means not. So if you put it on the front of a root word, it's going to change that thing to say that it's not that. For example, unfair means not fair. And uneven means not even. Untie means not tied. We don't add un to every word, but when we do add it to a word, it means not that thing. Pretty simple. It should be simple enough to work on your page to see it on your worksheet. The second prefix we're going to talk about today is re, R-E. Re means again. Read means to read again. Rewrite means to write again. And reuse means to use again. So we also use this one a lot, but not on every word. But on the words we do use it on, it means to do that thing again. We have some more prefixes, but these are the 2 that we're going to focus on for today. And we are working on pages 231 and 232. So dictation on page 231, on the very bottom, the first row, you are going to write 4 words, 4 different words. I'm going to actually tell you 2 words, and you're going to write the contraction that they make. So make sure that you have your apostrophe and make sure it's in the right spot. It always replaces the letters that we take out. So the first 2 words that I want you to make into a contraction for the first line, I want you to write the contraction for I am. Write the contraction for I am. Okay. The second line, I want you to write the contraction for he is. The contraction for he is. The third line, I want you to write the contraction for we are. The contraction for the words we are. And the last one for the top row, I want you to write the contraction for the words I will. The contraction for the words I will. And on the second line, I want you to write down the full sentence that I say. Make sure you write the whole sentence. We always start our sentences with a capital letter, and we always end them with punctuation, a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point. So this sentence, please write the whole thing as best as you can. The sentence is, throw that moldy bread away. I'll read it again. Throw that moldy bread away. One more time. Throw that moldy bread away. Okay, I hope you were able to get all of dictation. If you look at the top of page 231, they have a reminder of the prefixes that I went over today and what they mean. In section 1, you are focusing on your prefixes. So you need to do two things. You need to underline the root word and then write the meaning. Don't forget to underline the root word and don't forget to write the meaning. They help you out with some of them by writing part of the word, whatever the prefix means. So you need to write what the root word means. What is the root word? Section 2, read the words, circle only the special sounds that make the long E sound. There is one in every single one of those words in that box, so don't miss any. Only one in all of the words. Sorry, in each of the words. Section 3, circle the correct words in each sentence. This time you're picking the right word. They're in the parentheses. Parentheses are the half circle things. You're picking the right word. There are 2 sets of parentheses in 3 sentences. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 circles that you need to make. Do not skip any. Then on the back, on page 232, section 1, mark the sentences, diagram the sentences. We did this before. You need to underline the subject, double underline the verb, and split the sentence in half between subject and predicate. Do that, and that will help you line up your diagram. Section 2, finish the abbreviation chart. Remember, some months do not have abbreviations. Do your best. When we write the names of months, we always start with a capital letter, and when we do abbreviations, we end with a period, unless that month does not have an abbreviation. That's all I have for you today. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.